Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel IMCAT. Today, let us learn about global warming, its impacts, and how to reduce it. Global warming is the gradual increase in the overall temperature of Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, CFCs, and other pollutants, which causes oceans and atmosphere going up over tens to thousands of years. Average temperatures today are about 1 degree Celsius, that is 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, higher than before the Industrial Revolution, which started around 1750 during the Little Ice Age, an abnormally cold period. But in some parts of the world, it is less than this and some more. Some scientists say that by the year 2100, temperatures will be 1.5 degrees Celsius, that is 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit, to 5 degrees Celsius or 9.0 degrees Fahrenheit higher than they were before 1750. The most noticeable changes because of this increase in temperature is the melting of ice caps all around the world. Sea level is rising steadily because of continental ice melting into the sea. Many cities will be partly flooded by the ocean in the 21st century. Humans are primarily the cause of global warming. Among the greenhouse gases, the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is one of the causes of global warming, as predicted by Svante 100 years ago, confirming the work of Joseph Fourier more than 200 years ago. When people burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, this adds carbon dioxide into the air. This is because fossil fuels contain lots of carbon, and burning means joining most of the atoms in the fuel with oxygen. When people cut down many trees, this means less carbon dioxide is taken out of the atmosphere by those plants. As the Earth's surface temperature becomes hotter, the sea level becomes higher. This is partly because water expands when it heats, and also because warm temperatures make glaciers and ice caps melt. The sea level rise causes coastal areas to flood. Weather patterns, including where and how much rain or snow there is, are changing. Deserts will probably increase in size. Colder areas will warm up faster than warmer areas. Strong storms may become more likely, and farming may not make as much as food now. These efforts will not be same everywhere. The changes from one area to other area are not well known till now. People in government and the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) are talking about global warming. But governments, companies, and other people do not agree on what to do about it. Some things that could reduce warming are to burn less fossil fuels, grow more trees, eat less meat, and put some carbon dioxide back in the ground. Shading the earth from some sunlight, also called geoengineering, could also reduce warming, but we don't understand how it might change weather in other ways. Also, people could adapt to any temperature changes. The Kyoto Protocol and Paris Agreement try to reduce pollution from the burning of fossil fuels. Most governments have agreed to them, but some people in government think nothing should change. The gas produced by cows' digestion also causes global warming because it contains a greenhouse gas called methane. Let's make our Mother Earth a better place for living so that we, our future generations, and all other organisms on this earth can live happily. It's our responsibility and it's only in our hands to save the earth. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more new updates. Meet you in the next video.